Haven't done a video in a long time, so I was just wanting to show you an update on some of my stuff. There's some of my peppers, some bell peppers, some different banana peppers, little strawberries I planted in there. Some shishito peppers. Here's some of my orange snacking peppers. Some Arapaho blueberry or blackberries. This is my Fantasia nectarine. It's got one little guy on there. Oh, I guess there's two. Another one back there somewhere hiding. Little tomatoes. That's a husky red cherry tomato. This is some kind of a golden yellow little cherry tomato. My poblano peppers. It's a giant Marconi, I believe. That one's got a pretty big pepper on it already. These poblanos are actually pretty big too. There's a few of them in the back there hanging on. And this is some kind of a, I really don't know. This was my two brother-in-laws. This was their father's that was deceased, and they wanted me to try to keep it alive, so I brought it back to life. He had it marked as a lemon ghost jalapeno.